Hello everyone, Assalamu alaikum. Welcome back to my channel. If you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, just click the subscribe button so that you can get in touch with the latest content. Now, today's video is going to be split into three parts. In all these three parts, we are going to dive deeper into the Cadence Virtuoso and create the layout for CMOS inverter, create a symbolic representation, and also run the DRC, LVS, and parasitic analysis for this whole circuit. So if you're following along in our VLSI Systems Lab series, this will build on what we have already learned with schematics and simulations. Now in this first part of the series, you will create a symbol for your inverter design so that you can use this symbol view for schematic and hierarchical design. In addition, the symbol has attached properties that facilitate the simulation and design of the circuit. For creating the symbol, you need to open the schematic of the cell inverter from the library that you created. And save a copy. Name the copy anything that you want. I am naming this to my given copy. Now change the width of the PMOS transistor to 240 nano. I'm doing this on purpose. This will come in handy later on. Now in the schematic editor window for the inverter, the copy of the inverter that you just created, execute create cell view from cell view. Cell view from cell view window will appear. Just click on OK. In this symbolic generation options window, you can choose the location of the pins and then click OK. Symbol editor window will open like so. Now click delete icon in the symbol window and delete the red rectangle, green rectangle, and the instance name property. Then execute create shape and polygon and draw a shape similar to the triangle. This will be similar to how we draw an inverter. So in this way, what I'm trying to say is you can create a symbol for each circuit that you build on. Now after creating the symbol, you will execute create selection box, and in the add selection box, click automatic. Now our new red selection box is automatically added. After creating this symbol, click on the save icon, click on check and save, and then close the symbol editor window. Now this is how you create a symbolic representation for your given circuit. In this case, it was an inverter, so we drew the symbolic representation of an inverter. So whichever gate you are designing for, or whichever circuit that you are designing for, you can give a symbolic representation to that, and this will come in handy later on in more complex circuits. Thanks for tuning in. If you found this video helpful, make sure to hit the like, subscribe button and share it with your friends, and don't forget to subscribe for more VLSI content. See you in the next video.